People who search for famous YouTuber went to Jamaica, trying to take a swim in the river and was turned back. People big up on themselves. Right now we have Pretty Dan. Confirm. Say, yo, she get pull up on wicked. And I say, yeah, hear me. You have to go left the place right now. After all of the discrimination and carry down and news carrying and disrespect and all of the drama, they wasn't having it. People, what's going on? Content is here. Make sure say you subscribe to the channel and stop act like you don't want to subscribe. So people, you are gonna know. Pretty Dan does confirm the whole drama I wanna see I go viral all over social media. Right? We also search part the boss drop a video. And I make them know say I meditation, burn low frequency. You understand? Greatness. So all this is all alleged. Cause you know say we are social media say. Sometimes end of the day, we all hear a man say, you know say pay me did pay them to do this, pay me did pay them for you hear me? This right now. Unless me see something for myself, right? Me not really lock on tweet and run with it and carry down nobody and say, yo, that virgin over there, so, or that sister over there, so, cause you have now. That world where we are living in. I want big fake place. I want to understand this thing, overstand it, however you get to the point that when me I say, here we are going, enough things missing for people. I call them one of the out of the name. All blood type I get called out. And you mean to tell me, say at the end of the day, when people write all type of comment and sweat up themselves and all make enemy for themselves, you hear say, and pay somebody over here so if you bring a little high power. Whatever the case is. So until then, we just speak about the thing, but we not really take my side. Not my side for take around there. We're not really too, you understand? So here we are going now, Virgin. From a while now, we don't know say pretty than always a beef popcorn. You understand? So, but you don't know still, it's like me I tell us the people, I don't know if being a superstar thing or something what everybody wants, you know. 'Cause you know say every superstar like the higher you get in the stardom business is the more people have things to say about you. And not only that, your name stay in a controversy. Well them say every promotion a good promotion, good or bad. That depends on who a judge. Now, Pretty Dan did state it clear. I mean, I wait for hear this. I say, wait, all of these accusations, and we need to hear somebody clear the ear. So, Pretty Dan say, yo, nobody approach her, nobody not touch her. Great. You understand? So, no charges, not the death is filed. Because that's when enough people that live for here say, yo, the AG and re. What happened to freedom of free speech? That not holding away in the world again. You can't voice your opinion no more. Me never know say if you say something to somebody that's physical doing them something. You think word was just win. I guess some words with a lot of power and weight. But anyway, nevertheless, outcomes. They might make it look like as if say boy, people did not get pulled down in a river. That's why they make it look. I saw they make it look, bro. I tell you, say, if you hear 10 different stories, you hear 10 horrible parts of the story where probably they even in the story. Because I know some people are trying to go viral, brother. You understand? Well, at the same time, them have this saying, I can't these people and just going at them yard and expect it. Them not go right. You understand? But people, as you can see, still, the greatest thing is the DJ and get himself in a bangarang. And nobody was armed. So, that's a good thing that man. For nobody not get hurt, you know. nothing to speak of. It's just people love the excitement. But no Pretty Dan confirms it. You know what I'm saying? The thing went down. Everybody is speculating on us. What? You know them to jerk up Pretty Dan? Pretty Dan said, nothing like that, brother. You understand? No rough enough. So me I say, cause me I hear an ex-cat here talk something that I said, nah man. Them thing I wanna know still in people when a female in our feelings and them are talking and a normal sitting here. You understand? Who no know, I gotta just run with everything. You understand? So me never really do talk why a female they was not go off. Me and a cat they what I said, did he have any weapon? Me I said, yeah, case them are trying to pull off on the popcorn right this and right now. Him did that hold him waist. I said, yo, you have to be careful with them people there because we don't know. Is it poppy them after or the money them after? People drop it in the comment section. Is it that these girls after popcorn paper? How are going in there? Alright, no, that's that. No, we also see people who let the river for a second. Sush bad. You know, the king of the dance, big up vibes. You have a song. Have the people them on YouTube in a frenzy right now. See? Oh, the song a trend already. So now people are saying right now, them know say defend that a boss. Outfit. Let have something going on normal. As words have been said that, you know, Alka did that go and build the city. While go forward. So you can crush the streets. But yo, Alkaline put in so much work throughout the whole year. Like, it's nothing. You know what I mean? So, we're gonna see. And people, oh, that's what they don't know, you know. We all here, ready to be entertained. So, big up the artists, them, wanna do the thing, because we, the fans, want to hear great music. You see me? Some of the time, people, like, the man, them take the side thing too. And we only feel just want to see good music, brother. You see me? Like, they more love the controversy than the music. So, we don't know what that's part, they are the thing set. But right now, Vibe song a trend. You understand? And they must say, yo, you know who vibes are talking on the song, drop it in the comment section. You understand? If you know who vibes are talking on the song, drop it in the comment section. I wake up with the song I go viral. They must say, yeah, you hear me? Cartel I say, yeah, you hear me? Enough of them career. Sell off. I don't know. People wanna feel like it. Some artists now gonna hear from no more. Talk it truth, people. Talk it truth, people. What you say? Enough artists you just not gonna hear from them no more. Like say, boy, them stop record or what go on. Something not right. But one thing we know, artists them have to go start work harder now because you don't know say cartel do this for fun, you know. And that are the deadly, dangerous part about doing anything. When you do what you do and you have fun with the way you do, the lazy man them now can't keep up. Troubling, right? We are gonna see Gaza Nation, Vendetta, Unruly. All on the subscribe, you know, I don't know what the thing is. Yeah, man, big up on yourself.